This is our friction welding machine, all types of components. You can see all these components. You can see here this all types of components, metallic components, whether it is hollow or round or solid, it can be welded. You can see the spanners, so everything can be welded. You see this component, see this component, so everything, this component, this component, this component is the this automobile garage tool, this four-side tool, this is wrench. So all these tools can be, you see here, so this axle shaft, you see this one. So everything can be welded by using our friction welding machine, AXISCO Corporation. This is cable lugs, this is cable lugs joints also can be welded. This is our acceleration enterprise. Okay, we will now move to this. This is our friction welding machine. You see these all are pipes. You see